Assalamu alaikum. So today we are going to learn how to use Zotero. So first of all, here is a brief breakdown of how to use Zotero. And what you are seeing on your screen is the main user interface of Zotero. You can see three main windows on Zotero user interface, and the far left, the middle one, and the far right. So the far left, as you can see, where my cursor is pointing. You can see the options of my library, my publications, duplicate items, unfiled items, and then these are the general most information. Your references will be arranged here. It will be arranged here. Um, in the middle of this section, we can see we can. I have already put a reference here, so all the reference will be arranged here. All the reference, and on the far side of this window, you can edit, you can use notes, so you can add notes, you can add labels, etc. To this reference or to any specific reference. How to do that we will see a bit later on in this video. So let's start from the far right corner. We have the option of my library. All of the references that you have added in the Zotero will be shown here. So beneath that, there is my publication. It is like your own Zotero profile. If you have any published work or published item, you can add it here. But these are for researchers who already have their publications, a lot of publications, etc. Then there is a duplicate item section. Then these are the unfiled items, all those items which are not in any specific folder or any specific subfolder, etc. And then there is the bin, which means these are all the deleted references. Then on the far left side, on the bottom left technically, we have the option of tags. So the tags will be placed on any specific reference by from the very left hand side of this section. We will talk about this a bit later on in this video, inshallah. And then we should come in the middle. All of the references will be placed here. So there are four key items or four key icons on the top bar of this middle section. Uh, this the first one. From here you can manually add the references from any book, journal. Just select any of this. There are a lot of options. You have to manually add the reference here. For example, if there is a book, so I will have to manually put in the information. Or let's assume we have a journal article because I already have that. Yeah, so you have to manually put in the information. Just open that journal article. All of the information I think will be on the first two pages, like the DOI, the title, or the name of the author, etc. Just put in the title, uh, put in the DOI. Where is the DOI? Here. So just fill this. So just fill this information and just click enter, and you will have a manual reference here. I have not put all the information, but you can put the information as much as you want. More information you put in here, the more accurate and the more authentic reference it will create. So after the manual added reference, we will have this icon. This icon automatically puts in the reference if you have a link or a DOI or any other type of thing that the Zotero can utilize to digitally locate that reference. So for example, this is the DOI from this article on Galton's approach to key study. Just copy it and paste it here and press enter, and it will search it, and, and it will automatically add it there, as you can see. See all of the information it has automatically extracted from that DOI. Uh, okay, after item identifier, then we will come to add attachments. If you have any downloaded uh, journal article or anything, so just add it here by just click on add file. Or I have few documents, so let's put in Yugoslavia Iraq conflict, and okay, this is a book, so just press enter, and you can see it has. Uh, so now it has extracted all that information, and as you can see, all of the information is being displayed on that right side. Okay, after that, this is a note section. You can add notes to that. You can add note to any specific references. For example, let's assume we are going to add this note. So just new item note, just add any note here. So just add any note here. You can add any summary or any abstract or whatever that you may like. So this is handbook. I am adding note to the handbook of peace and conflict studies. Just copy paste this paragraph and let's assume this is our notes that we are adding to the specific reference. These are the three main methods to adding references inside Zotero. But the fourth and the most important and the most convenient one is automatically extract the references from the online source. So in order to do that, your Zotero extension must be added in the Chrome or any online web browser from which you are going to extract the references. In my case, I have already added my extension to the Google Chrome because I primarily use Google Chrome to search my data. So, for example, this is the journal article from which I want to extract the references. Understanding Central Asia, all of the information you can see it here. So, when you will add the extension in the Chrome or any search engine, there will be an option at the top right corner, this blue type or this blue color option. So just click it once and it is saying that saving to my library in that Zotero, in the Zotero library, and after a few seconds it will be automatically added to your library as you can see it here. So this is that reference, understanding Central Asia for the politics and contested transformation. All of the information it has already extracted it from that online source. So again, you can utilize this references any way you want. Okay, so we will again go to the left corner of the references. Now you will have my library. That I think I have said it before that all of the references will be here, whether if you have put it in the subsection or any folder or not. All of the references you can see it in the my library. You can create a folder to put any specific reference in that folder. So let's create a folder. You just click in this icon, new collection, and just name it. He studies in Asia. So, create. So now I have created a folder that I can, put my references. So I will just drag my reference there. Uh, and I think I will also go on Bolton's and see only two references that I have dragged them in this specific folder can be seen here. But all of the references, including the reference in that specific folder, can be seen in the My Library section. And another interesting thing that you can create a subfolder in that folder. So let's assume I create another collection. It will be created in that key studies in Central Asia, another folder. So subfolder of key. So just create another folder and you can see I have created another folder. So just drag my reference here. So I have that one specific reference that I have put in that specific folder. But in that main folder, we will have the both of the references. So this is another creative way to organize your references in a systematic way. Okay, this is how you create folders, and after that, let's talk about duplicate items. So you can see that we have two references of same author and same title. So you can just you know uh, click on both of them and just click on merge item. What will it do? That it will merge all the information of those two references and create one reference which is you can say more authentic. Okay, so the unfiled item, it is all the references that you have not put it any folder or subfolder, etc. Folder, not no, not subfolder. Now coming on the far right bar or far right section. The main thing that you need to understand is only three. First is the tag, second is note, and third is attachment. Attachment, you can attach any file, any link, any web link, any YouTube link, or any other link to that specific note. For example, this is Handbook of Conflict and Peace Studies. So let's assume this is my URL of this understanding center list. I want to add this to this handbook. You just click on web link and click it here and OK, press OK, and you can see that understanding Central Asia by coming another a link is attached to that specific reference. So just click on these reference and and go to this right hand side folder section and just click on this, arrow, and all of these things will be displayed here. So you can also click on these, items on the far right side. So let's suppose that you want to add abstract here. So just click on this icon. You can see my cursor, abstract, and an abstract will be automatically created of that handbook. So this is a very good method to get a general idea of what this reference is about. So this is a AI feature of this Zotero. Okay, the top is info, the second is abstract, the third is attachment. We have already studied the top three. Then is the notes. Yes, we have already studied the notes. It is you can also put notes from the middle section from here. I think I have already put notes to one of these sections. So it does not matter whether if you put it from the middle section or the far right section. So if you just click on any specific reference, add notes, yeah, add notes, and you can just type any notes here. So for notes, I have just added a link here. So you can add any notes that you want. The other thing is the tags. So tags are very interesting. Tags, what does tag do is that you just label any specific reference with a specific keyword that you can remember later. This on Galton's piece, on Galton's approach to key studies, I can tag it with any keywords. Let's assume ASEAN, ASEAN, ASEAN key study, ASEAN key study. So now I have just tagged this reference. So I will, if I just filter this tag ASEAN key studies, uh, only this tag will be seen in the tag section, and if I will click on this tag, only that specific reference will be displayed in the central window. So I have already tagged other reference. If by the way, if I click on that tag again, it will unselect all the tagged reference. So I have already tagged other reference with the tag for research one. So if I just so if I just click it here, so this is International Dispute of Settlement fifth edition. So this is how you can specify your references with tags and search it later on. So I think this is it. This is it uh, for the Zotero thing. So after that, all of the work that you need to do is in the Word document. So how to extract these references and put citation in the Word document. So just open the Word document, uh, and you should see on the top right corner, on the top bar on the right side, this Zotero thing, this Zotero section. Okay. So you can see two main icons. First is the add edit citation and add edit bibliography. So first of all, click on this add edit citation, and for the first time it will ask you to choose any referencing style. So just choose any referencing style. For me, it is APA7. If you cannot find your referencing style here, so just go to the advanced option, and sorry, don't go to the advanced option. Go to the manage style, and just go to the additional settings. Just like yeah, just search your reference from here. So for me, it will be just APA 7th edition because I want to just do simple in text citation. Just click OK. So after clicking OK, just click on Add Citation again, and a tab will be open here, and below the tab you can see the latest reference that you have just added in the Zotero library. But if you want to if you want to reference any previous references, so just search that references on the search bar. You can search either by name or by the title of or by the title of that research document. So by the name, I mean the name of the author. So let's assume Cummings. Yeah, this is the Understanding Central Asia Politics and Contested Transformation by Cummings. So the author name is Cummings, and you can either search by this title, Understanding Central Asia. So I will just click it, so you can see that a reference is added here. So let's assume that you want to add two references at the same time to this to this first paragraph. So just uh, Again, go to that citation, two references at the same time. So let's assume that you want to add on Galton's model of these studies and you want to add that another reference coming. So just select both of them and press enter, and you can see that here it has added both of that reference. If you wanted to add more than two references, three, four, five references, so just click as much as you want. Coming uh, dispute settlement, yeah, international dispute settlement. So it has added more than three references. So you can add as much as you want. So the last thing that we want that you should know is that how to add the bibliography. Then just simply click on the bibliography section. Okay, I have not added any citation, so I cannot add bibliography. So I will just add citation, and I will just add now. Click on the bibliography section, and it will automatically add the bibliography. So you only have to click on the bibliography just one time. After that, it will be it will automatically add bibliography whenever you will add citation. So let's add the citation on this above paragraph. So just click on add citation. Just add this. So the bibliography has automatically been added. So this is how to use Zotero in the most effective manner. So this is a beginner's guide, and all that you need to know about Zotero is in this video. I hope that you like this video, and inshallah we will meet again.